A quick update on AI tech here. So I ended up redrawing the whole chart. So let's just get into it here. You can see if we draw an uptrend on the chart here, going from this bounce, you could say that we got another bounce off of that trend line here. Now that could be the case. So we're going to look at it here. We are below the 236 at 20. So as long as you're below 20, then that puts 12 here at the 382 in play, which going from the resistance level here where we're getting stuck at 20, if we come back up there, you're looking to drop about 40% back down to that level here. But overall, going from below to the high, we know the 382 is still bullish. So as long as you're over 12, you're good to go here. Now, with that being said, we're going to draw a small fib going from that low to the high here. And you can see we got a perfect bounce right on the 786 at 16, and you could consider the uptrend line here. So we may push through 20 here and start moving back up. If that is going to happen, of course, we're going to measure this really quick here. So if we can push back through 20, that 618 and that 236 here, the next stop should be about 24.4, 26% move, and then the 382 level potentially here at about 28 to 29, and that would be a 50% move. But overall, if we continue going back up and get back over 20 and start grinding higher, we'll know at that point that the momentum is coming back in, which we can see the momentum is rising here on the 3-day stock RSI, and the daily stock RSI momentum is up. So it's looking good at the moment off of that 786 bounce as long as you're above 16. If you fall lower than 16, that's when that drop is going to come into play back down to 12. But like we already discussed, over 12, you are still considered macro bullish here. And if we get back over 20, then I would say you're even more bullish at that point, back over 20 for a move all the way back up to 50 here. With that being said, we do have a couple of red lines to the upside here. These are based on Fibonacci levels. You can see the first one here is the 2618 going from the overall chart here from the high to the low would put you at about 63 cents and about a 2x here. Now, if it blows past that, there's really nothing stopping it from coming all the way up here to about 270, and you're looking at about a 12x up to that price level. That is your 3618, and then of course the top of the Fibonacci here is the 4236, and that takes you up to almost $7 on AI tech here, and that would give you a massive 30x here on this thing. So what are your thoughts on this? What do you think? Do you think this thing can hit that potential target there? And as always, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.